Okay, this is mahororo. So the tutorial, we are starting on actually not maimbira. We have another key and another key. These are additional keys, don't mind them. Start on this key and this last key actually. So this is key number 1, this is 15. Forget these 2 notes. We're going to learn it in parts, and the first part, this is the first part. It's saying 11 11 3 15 15 1. Again 11 11 3 15 15 1. And the sound. Okay, the second part is the same, and it's also the third part. So basically it repeats 3 times. I'll play the whole bunch 3 times. 1 2 3. Okay, and the fourth part goes on 5 and 11. 11 11 5 15 15 1. Notice that on the fourth part we are going to key number 5. We are moving from key number 3. There we go. Sixth part 1 and 13. 11 11 1. Sorry, 13 actually. 13 13 1 13. Seventh part. Eighth part. Ninth. So let's play them continuously, the whole bunch. Second, third part. Again, increasing this tempo. Now you feel up. Basically